Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a little table like this where if I put 100% in the complete column, it automatically goes to 0 in this column and it ticks it as being complete and colors it in green. So whenever I do that 100%, it will put the tick in for me automatically and color it green. So if I highlight and copy the titles and just bring them over here, I'm using my control key to copy, and I have a list, a custom list of people which I can just type in and pull down like so. And then I want a checkbox. If I highlight this area, go to the insert tab and click checkbox. So basically it says false if it's not ticked and true if it is ticked. So when I tick this, I want the whole line to go green. Before I do that though, let me put some figures in here. So in here I just want to put a form that's going to go equals 1 minus the percent. So that'll be like 100% minus that, and then I can just double click that down. So that puts that in there. So whenever I put a figure in there, so if I put 45, that should say 55, and it does, so that works okay. Now what I need to do is highlight all of this area, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and then new rule, and then use the formula option, and then click on this bar to make it active. And then I am clicking on this cell. So if this cell, and I need to take the dollar signs off the 3, so I press F4 twice. If that cell equals true, which it will do if I tick it, I want that to format green, the whole row to go green. I'll pick that green this time. OK to that, OK again, click the tick, and it should go green, which it does. Now I've also got a formula in this one that automatically will, if this is 0, automatically tick this green. So I'm going to go in there and put an if statement in there, which is going to be equals if that cell equals 0%, comma, true, which would mean it would do a tick, comma, false, would not do a tick. And then close the bracket on that, click the tick, just double click that formula down. Now let's say I go complete. What should happen now is when I do 100%, press enter, it ticks it, which makes it go true, which makes it go green. And that is how that works. If I do it again, 100%, it automatically ticks it as complete. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use conditional formatting with the checkbox to automatically tick and color up a sheet when things are complete. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.